Supreme Court Senior Associate Justice Antonio Carpio believes without the International Criminal Court Treaty, the Philippines loses its legal deterrent against China. This is in the event it was proven that China was putting up naval bases in Scarborough Shoal and was invading Panatag Shoal. Mai Bermudez will tell us why.
The Supreme Court has concluded the oral arguments on the petition questioning the validity of the country's withdrawal from the International Criminal Court or ICC. It was the Executive Department's turn to defend their side, arguing there are no explicit constitutional provision that states Senate concurrence to treaty withdrawal is required. Calida explained President Duterte did not violate the Constitution, but only exercised his power as the chief architect that crafts and implements foreign policy. But Justice Antonio Carpio said ICC treaty is the only legal deterrent that could have protected the country from China's abuses, specifically the Kampala Amendment, which activated the court's jurisdiction on crimes of aggression.
So if, for example, China invades Pag-asa and puts up a naval base in Scarborough Shoal, we will not be able to sue President Xi Jin Ping and his military leaders because we would have withdrawn already from the ICC, correct? I mean, we cannot take advantage of this legal defense anymore because we are withdrawing from the Rome Statute.
Well, there might be other international treaties, Your Honor, that we can use. Even
Do you know
if we
any?
withdraw.
This is the only treaty in the world that holds military and political leaders of a state that commits the crime of aggression.
Unfortunately, Your Honor, I don't have the encyclopedic mind of
you discussed
Justice
your
Leon.
memo.
The Philippines withdrew from the treaty in March 2018 via note verbal sent to the United Nations amid the preliminary examinations on Duterte's war on drugs by ICC prosecutor Fatou Bensouda. But according to a legal expert, whether or not the High Court ruled in favor of the president, investigations on his controversial drug war will continue.
Kahit na sabihin ng Supreme Court natin na valid ang pag-withdraw ni Duterte, di ba? For any case filed against him for acts he committed, nung member pa tayo, continue yon. Ang consequence lang ng pag-withdraw ng ICC, natin sa ICC, is any act committed after April or March when it takes effect, is no longer covered.
The petitions asking for the nullification of the withdrawal were filed by opposition senators and the Philippine Coalition on the International Criminal Court. Mai Bermudez, UNTV News and Rescue, Manila.